Hello students, it's me Shikha Mishra, DGT Science from JNB Both. In this video, we are going to discuss about chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups of class 6. In this video, we will firstly learn about the differences between materials and objects. Then, how can we classify the objects on the basis of their properties? After that, the detailed study about the shiny and dull objects and also what are hard and soft objects. When we look around, we saw that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is such a vast variety of objects everywhere. We see around us a chair, a cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. All these objects have different shapes, colors, and uses. So, students, let us understand very fundamental difference between the two terms, that is object and material. Now, materials make up the object, but objects cannot make the materials. That's the basic difference. So, when we talk about materials, anything that is used to make an object is called material. So, it can be wood, it can be plastic, or it can be glass. Another thing is that when we talk about object, an object could also be made of one or more materials, and we can say one material could be used for making many different objects. So, different materials have different properties. We make a tumbler from materials such as glass, plastic, or steel because all these materials have a property for the water or other liquids. So we cannot make tumbler from a piece of cloth because a piece of cloth cannot hold water. So we choose a material to make an object depending on its property. So we can separate the material on the basis of their properties like appearance, hardness and softness, soluble and insoluble, transparency, or float or sink. Materials can be classified on the basis of how they look or appear into two groups. Some materials have luster, which is a very soft glow to them, while others are dull looking. There may be some similarities between iron, copper, and aluminium that are not there in wood. On the other hand, we see a gold. It has a shiny appearance. The shiny appearance is indicated by the term luster. Most of the metal have luster. Examples include gold, copper, iron. But the question is that why some metals become dull and lose their shine or luster? Usually, a metal loses its luster after some time due to the action of moisture and air on it. Therefore, only freshly cut metals appear to have luster on them. And examples of dull materials are paper, chalk, plastics, and rubber. Next property is hardness and softness. When we press different materials with a hand, some of them may be hard to compress while other can be easily compressed. Materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are called soft material, while some other materials which are difficult to compress are called hard. For example, cotton is soft while iron is hard. So students, this is all about this video. Thank you.